In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Pepperstone cTrader. To begin, make sure you have already downloaded the Pepperstone cTrader installer from the official Pepperstone website or from your client area. Once the file has finished downloading, open your Downloads folder and locate the installation file. This is the file you will use to start the setup process. Next, double-click the installer to launch it. Your operating system may display a security prompt asking for permission to allow the installer to make changes to your device. If that happens, click Yes to continue. This is a normal part of the installation process and allows the software to be installed properly. After the installer opens, review the installation settings shown on the screen. In most cases, the default settings will work fine. If you prefer, you can also choose a different installation location before continuing. Once you are ready, click Install to begin installing Pepperstone cTrader on your computer. Now wait while the setup completes. This may take a few moments depending on your system. During this time, the installer will copy the necessary files and finish the platform setup. When the installation is complete, you will see the option to close the installer. Click Finish to complete this part of the process. With the installation done, you can now launch cTrader. Open it from your desktop shortcut or from the Start menu, depending on where it was added during setup. When the platform opens, sign in using your Pepperstone cTrader account credentials. Make sure you enter the correct login details for your trading account so the platform can connect successfully. After signing in, take a moment to confirm that your trading account is connected and ready to use. You should be able to see your account information inside the platform, which lets you know that the setup was successful and the platform is ready for trading. That is the full process for installing Pepperstone cTrader. Once you have completed these steps, you can begin using the platform and accessing your Pepperstone trading account from your computer. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.